channel. In today's video, I'm really excited because Spin Master, if you guys don't know who Spin Master is, they are the creators of Hatchiamals. I'm so excited because today they gave me so many Hatchiamals for me to review on my channel. And legit, I think they sent me over 100 Hatchiamals, you guys. I don't know what I'm going to do with all of them. I think I'm going to open them. I don't know at the end. So yeah, thank you so much to Spin Master for gifting me all of these Hatchiamals. And yeah, let's get started and opening all these Hatchiamals. There's legit so many. If you guys can't see them, I have some up here. Like, they're like all scattered around. These aren't the only ones that I have. I have more, you guys. So yeah, we're gonna have to get started right now. But wait, if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe down below if you want to see more review on any other toy or more of these. And let's try to get this video to 500 likes. I know we can do it. We've been beating all our records, you guys. You guys are legit amazing. Let's try to get this video to 500 likes. I know we can do it. So the first thing I'm gonna open are these little blind bags. I think that's what they're called. Yeah, I think that's what they're called. So they sent me 4 of these. And yeah, so let's get opening. I've never opened one of these. That's the packaging if you guys wanted to know. What's in? Oh, there's an egg and an instruction manual, and that's all there is. Hold the egg in your hand, rub the heart. When it changes from purple to pink, it's ready to hatch. Tips: speckles on the egg tells you which family it's from. Oh, that's from you. Hatch. Gently press right above the heart with your thumb to crack. Continue pushing until the egg top can be removed. Play with your Hatchiamal, and then it says just play with it. Okay, so basically it is saying, so let's open this. So here's the egg, and it says to rub it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, it's already changing to pink. That's so cool. So is it just like heat changing? So it says once it turns completely pink, you can press it down with your thumb and it's ready to hatch. Oh, it's turning back to purple. Is it turning back? I think it is. So then it says press with your thumb. I'm pressing with my index. Oh, that's really cool. But then you just break it? Is that all? That's honestly really cool. It's like a surprise. Imagine like waking up on Easter morning and you just see hundreds of these hidden in your house. That would be cool for little kids. And looks like it has glitter. I don't know if you guys can see this. Can you guys see this? It's like a little tiger or like a, I don't know what they're called. I don't even know. So that's that one. That's really cool. I really like these now. So now I'm gonna open one of these little 2-packs, and I'm so excited to do this, you guys. So it's just like the little the packaging. It comes with the instruction thingy again. Oh, and it comes with the collectibles stickers. Oh, that's cool. It tells you which ones you can get inside. You see how it says citrus one? I think citrus coast. So this is, I think, gonna be part of the citrus coast family. So let's open this. Oh, that's honestly really cool. There's 2 eggs in here. Let's open this one. So just rub it and break. I think they didn't rub this one enough. But who is this one? It says they don't have names, but I got this one right here. So that's really cool. Let's open the next one and break. So we're just gonna break it. So this one, oh, this one looks like a little bug. Are they all bugs? No, I don't think so. So you can reuse these and just put them in their little cages, and there you go. You can keep them forever. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I already have a mess right here because of the little packaging thingies. So this one is a 2-pack, and this one says find the golden Hatchiamal and 2-pack nest. It's a season 2, you guys. So there's over 100 to collect. And in the back it says the same thing, just like hold on, like rub the little heart and then just break it. It's honestly really simple. These are really cool just to like break and like find which one you want, you know. So let's open it. So this one comes with a little nest instruction and something else. Let's see what that is in a moment. So it comes with 2 eggs, the nest, the instructions, which I already know what to do, and it comes with, I believe this is the map. Yes, this is the map. The Hatchiamals. Oh, this is part of the map. So you can like, so each one of the Hatchiamals packages comes with part of the map, and I got the left corner, I think, of the map, and this is Cloud Cove, Crystal Canyon. Where's Crystal Canyon? Wishing Star Waterfalls. I think that's what they're called. So let's open these. So this is a little nest. It turns pink and then you're gonna push down. So look who we got, you guys. I don't know what's her name. Hold up, let me look at the little packaging, but look how cute she is. So this one, I believe, here you guys can see it right there. This one, I believe is called Armadillo, and she or he is from the desert. So the next one we're gonna open is this one in the 2-pack, the nest pack, and we're just gonna rub it and break it. And let's see who we got. This looks like a sloth, you guys. Look how cute this is. Oh my god, and it has glitter. I think it's from the glitter collection. Or from, oh, she's from the jungle. She's an alba sloth. That's really cool, you guys, honestly.
Hey.
So you guys, this is my niece and this is my brother's girlfriend's daughter, and I want to see if these are actually like you know, I want to see if kids can actually open these. So I brought them in here to test them out. So Ellie, which one do you want to open? You can choose in between this one or this one. Okay, so you open that one. And Kat, which one do you want to open? Esta?
Yeah.
Okay, so there you go. There's the egg. So Ellie, you know how to open these, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Here's a little thing. So you have to rub the heart until it turns pink. And then when it turns pink, you can open it.
She's rubbing it until it turns pink. The purple hearts turn pink.
Whoa, it was like fully pink, and now it's starting to change into yellow instead.
So I think Kat's turned pink, you guys, and she's already starting to break it. She's looking at me so crazy. She's just 2 years old, you guys, but she's already breaking it. Look, she already has her finger in the egg.
Only a little bit though.
She's trying to break it on the table. So they both broke it already. I don't think she can break it more. Okay, here you go. So I helped her break it just because she doesn't have enough strength to break. Who do you have, Ellie? Who'd you get?
I got like a little tiny like cheetah.
Oh, she got the cheetah. What's his name? You got the paper, remember? It tells you his name. So find his name and tell us what's his name. Found it?
Yep, his name is Chi-Tree.
Chi-Tree. That's a cool name. It's like a cheetah and a tree put together. So as you guys saw, it's really not that hard for little kids and like almost teenagers to be able to open them. It just takes a little bit of time and effort for them. So yeah, the next one we're gonna be opening is these 6-packs or 4-packs. 4-packs, I think. I don't know how to count. I think 4-packs. It's a 4-pack, but it has one right here. So we're gonna be opening that one. I'm excited. So the same thing comes in here, the little map and the little figures, and yeah, so let's open them. It's like a little moo. I said moo. Oh my god. So it's like a little cow. Or calf? I think it's a calf. So that's that one. And I want to see what's his name. His name or her name, because we don't know what they are. Where are you? It's called Night Goat. Oh, it's a goat? Where are you? It's a goat. You got. It looks more like a cow than a goat, but it's a goat. It's called Night Goat. So let's open the rest. This one looks like it has gold. Well, as you guys can see, all of these have like different speckles. This one has blue, this one has orange, blue, and yellow. So let's open all of them up. So let's set them right here. So the first one I'm gonna open up, it's just, oh, it's purple, it's not blue. So this purple one, so all you have to do basically is just rub them all. It's a translucent one, you guys. Look at it. Oh, this is so cute. Hold up. I can't get it out. Hold up. So this is an octopus. Look how cute this is, you guys. So cute. I really love this. I think his name or her name. I need to stop assuming genders. It's called a crystal octopi or octipita. And it is an ultra rare, you guys. It's an ultra rare. That's really cool that I got an ultra rare. And first we see these two little ones, and this one looks like a bunny and this one looks like a parakeet. So let's find their names. I'm probably gonna take hours finding their names. This one is called Bunny. You know, I'm not even gonna find the names. This one is a parakeet and this one's a bunny rabbit. So here are all the ones I got in the egg carton, and they're so cute. I think my favorite one out of all of them is this little calf, you guys. So here's the aftermath of me opening all of these collectibles. I still have a ton of them left, you guys. If you guys want me to open them, or I was thinking about putting them in slime, then go ahead and comment down below, because I will do that and I'm really excited because I want to do it. And go ahead and comment below. And these are the ones I opened today. I'm sorry if there's like wind going through the mic, but it's really windy and my window's open. I really should close it. But here are the ones, the overview of what I opened today. It's so cool, you guys. You guys should definitely buy these. They're super cool. They're super fun to open. As you can see, all my like friends and my niece love them, and they're so cute, you guys. I really love these. I really suggest them. Like, if you guys want to do these instead of Easter eggs, then go ahead and buy these. I'll leave the link down below. And thank you so much to Hatchiamals for sending these over, or Spin Master. I really appreciate it. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.